Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace kitchen. Traditional Turkish baklava is made of phyllo dough loaded with pistachios and soaked in syrup. It may sound a lot of work, but in today's video, we'll see a very easy version of baklava fusion recipe. Today, we'll see how to make baklava cold cheesecake. You can definitely give this recipe a try this Ramzan and stay tuned to know how you can buy Rich's whipped topping and other products online as well. So let's get started. To make the cheesecake base, we need 150 gram baked puff or khari. Break it into small pieces or crush it. You may use your mixer grinder. This is ready. Now let's move to the next step. To the crushed baked puff, add 1 tablespoon chopped pistachio and 1 tablespoon chopped almonds, 1 teaspoon dry edible rose petals, half cup icing sugar or powdered sugar, whichever is available to you, and mix well. Next, add half cup melted butter. First add 1/4 cup, then add remaining 1/4 and give it a good mix. Our cheesecake base is ready. For the cheesecake here I've got a square mousse mold which I have lined with cling film at the bottom, and on the sides I have placed transparent sheets or acetate sheets. The acetate sheets would make it easier to remove the cheesecake from the mold, however you may skip it. Next, add some crushed baked puff mixture to the mold. First, spread it evenly with a spoon and then press using an offset spatula or a bowl. Do not start pressing it right away. First, spread it evenly, then press it. This is ready. Now you need to set it in your refrigerator. Set it for 10 to 15 minutes. For the cheesecake base, we need some whipped topping. This is Rich's Bettercreme, which is a unique icing and filling. It has a predominant vanilla taste and buttery mouthfeel. This whipped topping is perfect to impart dark colors. It doesn't harden upon freezing and hence a perfect choice for making ice cream cakes. We need 300 gram Rich's Bettercreme. Make sure the whipped topping is in a chilled state. Whip Rich's Bettercreme to stiff peaks and set aside. Next, we need 80 gram Rich's Cremagic. This is a neutral base ideal for making truffle. It doesn't scorch on heating and doesn't split on adding citrus fruits or juices. Add a few strands of saffron and 80 gram white chocolate or compound. I am using compound in this recipe. Microwave for 30 seconds, then mix and again microwave for 30 seconds, or you may heat the Cremagic and add to your white compound or chocolate. Mix till it's well combined. Set this aside in your refrigerator. To a bowl, add 150 gram cream cheese. Whisk till it becomes smooth. Next, add the prepared saffron truffle, 3 tablespoons Rich's Sweetmate. Give it all a good mix. Once you're done mixing everything, next step is to gently fold the whipped Bettercreme. So add a few dollops first, fold using a spatula, and then add the remaining. Set it aside in your refrigerator. Now let's prepare the pistachio sponge. For that, take 2 eggs. The eggs should be at room temperature. If you want to make it without egg, you can follow my eggless cake recipes and use that base. Whip it till you get bubbles like this. Add 1/4 teaspoon vinegar or lemon juice. We need half cup powdered sugar for this recipe, out of which 1/4 will be added to the egg whites and remaining to the yolks. So add a little sugar at a time and continue whisking. This is how you can check whether the egg whites are done or not. To the yolks, add the remaining sugar, that is 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Beat till light and fluffy. Next, add 2 teaspoon oil or melted butter. Do not add extra virgin olive oil, peanut oil or mustard oil. Use any neutral oil, refined or sunflower. Next, add all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, that is take half of your 1/4 teaspoon measure. Mix at low speed, then add 2 tablespoon milk at room temperature. Mix at low speed. Scrape the sides using a spatula. Now add 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom, that is choti elaichi powder, and mix well. Now gently fold the prepared egg whites. Add 2 to 3 drops of green gel food color. Then add 2 tablespoons pistachio powder and gently fold. I'm using this baking sheet, but you can use a 6-inch cake tin and divide the cake into 2 thin layers later. Tap the mold. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake this cake for 10 to 12 minutes. Let the cake cool down. Like I said, I've used a big baking sheet or big cake tin, but you can use 2 6-inch square cake tins and get 2 thin sheets, or you can bake one cake that is a 6-inch square cake and divide it into 2 layers. We need 1 thin square sheet of this pistachio cake for this recipe. Don't worry about the leftover cake, it tastes amazing. You can eat it just like that or with some frosting. Look at the beautiful texture. The cake is nice and spongy, very lightweight. Next, pipe a layer of cream cheese mixture. Spread it using an offset spatula. Place the layer of pistachio sponge. Pipe the second layer of cheesecake mixture. Do check out the link given in description box to explore Rich's entire range and buy their products online. Spread the mixture using an offset spatula, and after that set this cake in your refrigerator for 10 minutes, not in the freezer, regular section of refrigerator. To make glaze, we need some Rich's Neutral New Gel. This is ready to use dessert gel glaze to add a dazzling appeal to desserts and cakes. Add 2 tablespoons of Rich's New Gel to a bowl. A few strands of saffron, an edible gold leaf, or you can use silver leaf. Mix well. Add this gel to your piping bag and make a small cut. Pipe the gel on top of the cheesecake. Spread it using an offset spatula. Now set this cake in the regular section of your refrigerator for 2 hours. Once the cake sets, remove it from the mold. Remove the acetate sheets and then cut the cheesecake. Pipe some Rich's Bettercreme or cheesecake mixture. I am piping the cheesecake mixture. Decorate with some sliced pistachio. You can serve it right away and store the remaining in your refrigerator. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!